Check, 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 check. Score is 20 all. We're back to square one. That attack is in. Skyhawks having this 1 point lead. 21-20. Dennis Añite will be on the service. Naging dikit yung ating set number one. Paul Cruz, last year's MVP, has finally checked in. And so far dito sa season 17, ito yung naging diskarte ng PWU Patriots opting to let Paul or letting Paul Cruz letting Paul Cruz enter. At the last, that attack was so heavy. Hindi na nakaya ni Perez to really have a time to react and to rescue that one. A close set number one. 21 serving 22. For context, the Skyhawks were down 9-14 early. That quick attack didn't materialize. From the back, attack going out. So it's warning shot time para dito sa PWU Patriots. Paul Cruz will do the honors. Skyhawks badly needing to score. That time, it didn't go in. Para dito sa mga players ni Coach Andre Barba. Kaya Coach Andre will be forced to call a timeout, looking to salvage this last possession. Paul Cruz will be at the line, will be right back for the conclusion of set number one. Serving for the set. This is Paul Cruz looking to end set number one and give the Patriots a one-set lead. Now, Perez making a recovery, kaso tumama na dito sa bubong ng ating Jim yung bola. So the Skyhawks are still in this game. Checking in para sa Skyhawks, itong si Darwin Abu, which nakausap ko itong si Coach Andre kanina. Sabi niya, he will use Darwin Abu when needed because of the injury he sustained last Monday against Patsy Horses. So mamaya, second set, pag-usapan natin all the stories between these two teams, anong lagay nila sa ating team standings, how important this game is. Pero for now, let's just enjoy this set number one, 23 serving 24. A point here will secure the Skyhawks. Our first extended set, Darwin Abu starts off the play. They will get that block. Noguera was ready for the rescue. Pascua couldn't get it in. That time, Adrian Dolatre surprising everyone with that quick hit from the middle. That's just a good read from last year's best setter. Set number one going into the Patriots' way. It is a close one, 25-23. Marami tayong pag-uusapan sa aming pagbabalik, so stay tuned. As we prepare set number 2, again, we apologize for the audio difficulty. Rest assured, okay na po tayo. We are good to go for our 4-game schedule for today. We are live here inside Manila Adventist College Gymnasium in Pasay City for the continuation of Interscholastic Athletic Association Season 17. Baron Mercado still your commentator for today, and of course for the rest of the season. Maraming salamat po for supporting the league and supporting the players by commenting, liking, and sharing ating live stream. Just give your message lang sa ating comment section kapag na kita natin yan. We will give you a shout out. Babasahin natin yung mga comments when we have a chance to read it. Again, Baron Mercado, your commentator for today. Thank you. Thank you for again watching our games for today. This is the first game of 4. At tulad nga ng sabi ko, as Pascua makes that block for the first point of the day, I should say. Set number 2 for the Patriots. This is a big game actually. This is a crucial one for these two teams. Currently, Patsy Horses po, number 1 seed natin sa men's division. Already sweeping the elimination round after that impressive victory against the Skyhawks last Monday in 4 sets. Number 2 po natin itong PWU Patriots. They are 3-1. Number 3 natin ay itong Skyhawks. They are 2-1, which they saw their winning streak snap to 2 after losing to Pats last Monday. So technically, the winner of this game, rest assured na maipanalo nila yung kanilang remaining games, either PWU or itong WCC. The winner of this game will technically be our number 2 team and will have the twice to beat advantage. And based on the look of things, sila din po ang may posibilidad magharap sa ating Final Four. Ang tanong na lamang dyan, if everything goes into plan for these two teams, sino ang magiging number 2, sino magiging number 3? Who will get that twice to beat advantage? During that loss against Patsy Horses, Coach Andre Barba and the team had that emotional meeting, emotional talk after the game. And when asked about it, sabi lang sa akin ni Coach, it's just a mix of frustration, disappointment, because they know that they can win that one. And it is a winnable game. para dito sa Skyhawks. Unfortunately, on that set number 3, they faltered, having full control almost majority of the way. Yun nga lang, talagang kinapos sila. And part of that disappointment, that frustration, Coach Andre and the players wants to, elevate yung kanilang performance pa dahil for at least 2 to 3 years, no, they've been into that bronze medal, no? Kumbaga yung third place secured na sa kanila. At least for this season, they are looking to elevate and make it to the finals because they deserve it. No? These players from from Caloocan, I should say, really deserve it. But on the other side, also looking to get their bearings back are the defending champions. Itong PWU Patriots. As the Skyhawks scores, there we have a back and forth action dito sa ating set number 2. The Skyhawks, or I should say the Patriots as well, they're looking to get into the rhythm of things as both teams lost to Pats. Yun nga lang, for the PWU Patriots last season in the elimination round, they were defeated by Pats. Fifth setter yun. No, nung nandun tayo sa Treston. But last time they played inside Pat's gym, it was a 3-set sweep. When asked about it, sabi ni Coach Jordan, sabi ni Coach Belfort, I should say, his team lacked the sense of urgency. And yung kanilang mistakes piled in continuously. Kumbaga, hindi na susolusyonan yung mga kanilang pagkakamali. That is why the defending champions lost in that game in 3 sets. Also, when asked, ano yung kailangang mabago for this team? Ano yung kailangang, or sino yung kailangang mag-step up for them? Sabi ni Coach Belfort, yung kanyang middles. That a middle attack, those middle blocks, those net defense needs to be tightened up. Dahil can we all know that this Skyhawks team is a very, very dangerous team, especially when attacking. You have Dennis Añite, you have Byron Labrada to hit you on that wings. Estoesta sa middle. So, a very much loaded team. And it is all facilitated by Kian Edralin, who's looking very impressive this season. 7 serving 5. Skyhawks looking to control this game even more. That is your MVP. That is Paul Cruz bringing on the sass in this game. After that point, Paul Cruz just waves that point goodbye. Babawi ba? Nice effort by Perez. Paul Cruz, or I should say that is Dolatri again. One of the players as well na kailangan bantayan for the Skype, itong si Jen Gemotra, really showed up against Pats. Muntik na makapuntos doon ng Skyhawks. Will reload once again. Yun na yung sinasabi ni Coach Belfort, yung middle defense, yung net defense dyan sa tres will be crucial for this game day. 8-7 is the score. So I watch dito sa ating live stream si Mari Mirasol, the team captain of the Skyhawks women's team, watching yung kanilang mga schoolmates in the men's division. For Mari and crew, they were successful on their last game. Currently undefeated yung women's team ng Skyhawks, looking to continue to ascend in their final 2 games. Pero for now, she will just give her support sa kanyang mga schoolmates dito as they look to bounce back after that loss to Pats. That was a nice play by Dolatre. This is also a battle of two good setters, Edralin and Dolatre. Two players that are really, really smart. As we see on that last play, napakaganda ng find ni Dolatre. Kakabanggit ko lang kay Dolatre, making that error on that dump attempt. 9-all is the score. Jedes Tuesta now starting the play. The defense was far right there. Di nakahabol itong si Pajarillo. Just making it enough for the Patriots to secure that point right there. Service error again para dito sa Patriots that time. Dolatre making back-to-back errors. Kian Edralin on the other side. Tignan natin kung makakabawi itong si Edralin. Receive was too strong, and how can you score when there's three Skyhawk players guarding that net, especially on the left side? Gotta give credit that time. I believe it was Labrada who made that stop. We'll try one more time. Nakalusot. A chance from the back. This time is Jem Gemotra. Nakakuha ng opportunity there to score. Skyhawks now up by a single point. One more time. Kian Edralin. Pasqua. Dolatre. Ooh. Gahatela was able to just use that defense to his advantage right there. Nakikita ko ulit si Dennis Anite, kapatid ni Dennis, watching here, supporting his brother. That time, there's no stopping Christian Gahatela and the PWU Patriots. Darwin Abu is checking in. Upo muna itong si Labrada, again looking to have an impact. Itong si Abu after sustaining that injury. He looks to be well. Pero sabi ni Coach Andre sa akin, will not use him much in this game. Pero talagang kinakailangan na ng Skyhawks ng additional firepower. And speaking of firepower, Christian Gahatela just rising up for that one. Service error on the side here. So makakapuntos itong WCC. We're 12, I should say. Service out. So both teams committing some service errors. Laika Latosa, Princess Ramos. Yan yung mga women's team ng Skyhawks watching here. Supporting yung kanilang mga schoolmates. Looking for that big win against the champions. And if there's a team that knows how to beat a champion, yan yun yung ating WCC ATC Skyhawks in the women's division. Really having an impressive season so far. Looking to rub it off sa kanilang mga male counterparts here. As always, the team captain starts off the play. Cruz. Tumama na sa antena ang attempt ni Paul Cruz. WCC Skyhawks now up by a single point. Madam Monique Anite. Okay na po ang ating audio. So just enjoy watching this game. Paul Cruz wasn't able to score. Gem, di rin nakaporma. Sa pa, that time, that is a statement of a hit para dito kay Pajarillo. Again, some or more familiar names watching sa ating live stream. Libero naman ng Skyhawks. Venice Victorino watching. Saldi Cafe, of course, a former Skyhawk supporting ulit yung kanyang mga friends looking for this big victory against the PWU Patriots, the champions of season 16. 16-14, looking to answer back. Look at that defense by Gem. Cruz, just a smart play by the MVP. Very calculated itong si Paul Cruz, and just as I say that, upo muna si Cruz getting some high five, some minutes here. Balik sa loob si Joari Kaube. Pajarillo showing up here. Vren making some positive impact para dito sa WCC-ATC Skyhawks. Dennis Añite will be preparing to check in maybe on the next dead ball. Let's see if dalawa na ang kanilang kalamangan o magiging tabla tayo when he comes in. And the answer is, I should say, a 1-point lead para dito sa kampo ng WCC-ATC Skyhawks. So waiting pa rin itong si Dennis Añite. Looking to check back in. Gem with a nice find dun sa dulo. Gemotra was able to score there. Here he is, Regem Gemotra will be serving here for the Skyhawks. Dolatre with a back set. Nice block by Abu. Kahatela on the other side. Or I should say, Dolatre cannot be stopped. Nakakailang puntos na ganun si Dolatre. One of the rare scoring setters para dito sa ating season 17. Dolatre has made a couple. Edralin attempted the drop off. Natawagan ng net touch. Ito nga Skyhawks. Don't look now. Tabla tayo at 18. So far sa ating comment section, it's majority pro Skyhawks. Looking to get that momentum and that energy. Upo muna itong si Abo. Balik ulit. Dennis Añite. Again, one of the, or I should say, the best opposite hitter, I should say, ng ating season 16. Well rested. Tignan natin kung makaka-atake. Here is Apu. I should say that was a nice find, I should say. Si Edralin pala yung napaupo kanina. Coming in. Itong si Boktolan. Replacing itong si Edralin. It is a check ball. Puntos para dito sa PWU Patriots. Riza Reyes also watching. So puro WCC crowd ang ating nasa comment section. The champs looking to have the lead. If they make a stop here, Abu almost an opportunity there to score, and that is the point right there. Courtesy of Luis Poliente. (22-19) is the score. Patriots storming back after the Skyhawks taking the control majority of the way. Poktolan gives it to Anite. Pascua says no. Coach Andre will rally down the troops here. They are down by 2 points, 21 serving 19 when we come back. Let's see after that timeout kung maka-adjust itong Skyhawks down by 2 after being up by 2 majority of the way. The champions fighting in the second set. Owe with a fake Abu was rejected that time. Anite naman on the opposite. Christian Gahatela low-key having a good game. The champions showing us heart in this set number 2. Coach Andre Barba looking on as their team is down by 3 points, 22-19. Hindi pa rin sila makakapuntos. And that is a blockout. Coach Andre will call for another time. Warning shot will be fired by the Patriots. At Christian Gahatela, Luis Poliente, making it hard for the Skyhawks to come back. They need 2 more points to take set number 2. We'll be right back. Warning shot time for the Patriots. Needing only 2 more points to stick the second set and finally ending the bleeding. Team captain Owe. Surviving for at least 2 more points as Dennis Anita will take a breather. Vren Fajarillo returns here looking to bring more energy. Though having a good second set itong si Vren. They're down here by 3. Kian starts off this play. Joshua Pascua. Talagang inaangguluhan na lang ni Joshua. Again, very hard to score against this Skyhawk squad, but Pascua finds a way. Serving for the set will be Joshua Pascua. Edralin sends it in the back. Fajarillo couldn't score for the set. And that is all she wrote for a set number 2. After being down majority of the way, the champs win set number 2 within 5, 25-20. We will see sa ating set number 3 if the Skyhawks can get a set and extend this game, or will the champions end it in 3 and get an impressive win against the equally impressive Skyhawks. We'll be right back. Set number 3 is about to begin. Again, maraming salamat po sa nanunood sa ating live stream. Thank you for always commenting dito sa ating games, sa inyong mga sinusuportan, sa inyong mga friends, family, or kung sino man. Maraming salamat po. Just continue to comment your cheers, your messages, at yun nga, pag na-timingan natin, shout out natin kayo, no? Pero just in general, a special shout out and thanks to everyone na nanunood as the Skyhawks looks to extend their day dito sa ating Season 17. This is the first game of 4D Security Services. So balikan natin ng konti yung set number 2 as Christian Gahatela. Masyadong napalakas ang kanyang palo. Again, so nga nasabi ko, no, balikan natin yung ating set number 2. The Skyhawks, I thought, really had the advantage doon. No? Talagang dikit na dikit yung set na yun, but they had the 2-point advantage all throughout. What the champions, nearing the end of that set number 2, just woke up and found something na talagang nakapag-tulong sa kanilang makuha ang kalamangan of being down by 2, then suddenly they were up by 3. I believe that was 23-19, and then it's all over from there. Eh yun na yung sinasabi ni Coach Belfort sa akin na urgency for them, no, the one that has been really missing for this defending champions Patriot squad. And that middle, though for me, really isn't that good of a factor, but Christian Gahatela, napaka-solid ng kanyang performance. Looking to stop them ay itong sila Owe. Joshua Pascua is now a player on a mission. Kanina pa siya sa ating set number 2 na continues to have a good set number 3. So for me to have an overlook here for the Skyhawks, energy was okay at the start of set number 3. But for Coach Andre, they just need to, follow the system as the Skyhawks, both in the men's and the women's, one of the most beautiful teams to watch. Napakagandang panoorin ng Skyhawks volleyball action because of the system na ini-implement ni Coach Andre Barba, and that's one of them just really going on for that attack. For serving 3 still, the Skyhawks looking to keep a safe space. Nice rescue right there, but maybe it was a little bit too late as Joari Kaube was able to find a way, I should say, to get that point. Trino coming in para dito sa PWU Patriots. Was ready that time itong si Dolatre. Kaube again. Just rejected. No flight zone. Sabi ni Jed Estoesta. Polientes attack didn't go in, but that time, itong si Regem Gemotra was able to find that open spot. Noguera was a second too late. Ito na naman yung Skyhawks with a 2-point lead, 6-4. That time, nakapuntos. Once again, the Patriots just won't go away. Always having that right answers. Ay itong Patriots. That time, service error. Itong si Poliente. As I look to our sa ating live stream, I see a couple of Patsy Horses players watching our live stream. Again, I should say the number 1 team in the men's division after that impressive win last Monday. Naka-score ng service ace. On the other hand, itong Skyhawks. Again, a special shout out to the program ng Pats, so Coach Paul, Coach Benj, Coach Mike Valencia, and of course, the players na nakikita ko dito. Na sila Raven, sila Medilo, the 2/3 of the Bulacan players. Kurt Flores, of course, completing that cast. And now the Skyhawks will look to inch further here. Up by 3, papalo. And that is a block out. Puntos para dito sa Skyhawks. 9 serving 5. And speaking of Pats volleyball team, itong si August Velasco. Nanonood din dito. Ganda ng performance niya against the Skyhawks. Looking to continue the run ay itong WCC. Kaube was able to find a way on that cross-court hit. Sabi ni Stanley, finally daw pumasok na yung service ni Regem kanina. So let's just see if Regem and crew can continue the momentum, pero paano nila magagawa yun if they allow service aces like that? A poor read on the side of the Skyhawks as Jawari Kaube will be at the service area once again, looking to cut the lead. Almost back-to-back aces. Another opportunity. Another block out as a Darwin Abu contributing dito sa ating set number 3. Sabi sa ni Coach Andre, gagamitin niya itong si Darwin Abu when needed, and they really need him right now. Ten serving 7. Pasqua! That was a wild hit by Joshua Pasqua. Thought that ball was going towards the right. Mayroon na apekto sa ni Pasqua, making that a down the line hit. 8 serving 10. Trino starts off the play. Down by 2, make it up by 3. Seguro Owe, the team captain, finding a way, I should say. Patsy Horses watching the action here. Of course, tinitignan nila yung matchup ng two teams that are already part of that 3 core as Owe makes back-to-back hits. Coach Belfort sees enough. Timeout muna tayo dito and we will be right back to continue this set number 3. Okay. 12-8 ang ating score. The Skyhawks enjoying a 4-point lead as they look to extend their game day at least for today, and they will continue to put on the points. One of the players na maganda ang pinapakita ngayon for the Skyhawks, Vren Pajarillo. Francis Leo Soto watching as well. Again, a member of PATS. So it's a star-studded comment section we are having as Darwin Abu and crew keeps on preventing the Patriots to take them down in 3. This is the largest lead para dito sa Skyhawks all throughout this game day. They are now up by 6 points. Kaube. They will set it up. Paul Cruz. And that is what Paul Cruz is all about. All that mind games. Kumbaga in today's term, yung mga bardagulan, yung mga puksaan, him and Pasqua for this Patriot squad. That's just the way they play. And they will continue to pour on the points. That time it was Darwin Abu making sure that yung tiwala na binigay sa kanya ni Coach Andre really much deserved. Again, if not injured, he is one of their best players as he wags his finger and says, no, no, no. Getting that service ace to to go, I should say. 16-9, that time it is out. Kumbaga Paul Cruz, Pascua para dito sa Patriots. That's their way of playing, and for me, no, covering them last season, I really enjoy that. Really enjoy watching them, just letting those emotions out. Ooh, sayang yung dive na ni Perez. But a better find by Vren Pajarillo. Again, set numbers 1 hanggang ngayon. Napaka-consistent nito ni Vren. 17, serving 10. So far, the Patriots are playing their worst set, at least in this game. Aatake ulit. Naangguluhan on that left side attack. The Skyhawks continues to build some momentum as they look to gain a set. Last time against Patsy Horses, they won set number 2, lost sets number 3 and 4. Ngayon, they are down by 2 sets, looking to gain a victory dito sa ating set number 3 as Kaubes attack didn't materialize. Skyhawks looking to inch closer. Medyo malayo yung set as Kaube goes for that hit once again. Abu will just throw it. Dolatri, who's been playing well for this Patriot squad. No, no, no. Esto esta Pajarillo denying Joari Kaube that time. They only need 6 points for our first extended game. Timeout is called by the Patriots. They are down big. Wala. 19, serving 10. Patriots looking to end the slump, and they do. A perfect way to score after that timeout, looking to wake up itong PWU Patriots as Luis Polientes scores on the right side. Macy Makato, sabi niya, laban WCC. Looking good so far. Regem scores another one. Kemotra pushes them to 20 points. Nagkukulitan ulit sa ating comment section mga players ng Pats. Pinapa-shoutout ni August Velasco itong si Joel Dalagan. And the number 1 team watching itong bakbakan ng current number 2 team, which is itong Patriots, and the number 3 team, itong Skyhawks. Na again, the winner of this game will technically will be our number 2 seed if these two teams win the remaining games. And of course, yung mga other teams remaining on their game schedule looking to play spoiler sa mga plano nitong Patriots and Skyhawks. Pero for now, sila muna ang maglalaban dito at Regem Gemotra looking to finish this set number 3 quick. MJ Belmonte will entered the game, I believe, for the first time. Papalitan muna itong si Trino. MJ Belmonte having a good season 17. But they are down by 9 points, 21, serving 12. Noguera was able to receive that ball, but that is a nice drop-off. Kian Edralin finds a way over receiving itong si Noguera, pero itong sila Edralin and Cruno, especially Kian, was able to see an open spot, making that quick play. A lot of player movement para dito sa PWU Patriots. Angelo Campos replacing itong si Dolatre. Papasok din itong si Clive Neri replacing Polientes. So looking to look for some flavor itong si Coach Belford. Last 3 points for the Skyhawks. They will get set number 3. Another heavy service. That time nakapaghanda na itong si Noguera. Nakakuha naman ng puntos itong si Jowari Kaube. Having a quiet season 17 for me itong si Jowari Kaube. On that season 16, he was really impressive. Him and Paul Cruz hitting on those wings. Skyhawks on the other side, nakakuha ng block itong si Paul Cruz, but that wasn't able to translate into points para sa kanila. Making this one warning shot time for the Skyhawks. Only needing 2 points. MJ wasn't able to secure that middle hit. Abu, bitin ang kanyang palo. So slowly but surely, this Patriot squad looking to cut this 9-point lead. Again, they are the champions. They have the recipe here to make a run, pero with MJ Belmonte making a service error, just a point needed for the Skyhawks, and they are in this game, putting one set on the board, and this is for the set. Clive to Paul Cruz, and the referees will call a violation on the Skyhawks. Pupuntos pa rin itong PWU Patriots. Coach Angel Pai watching sa ating live stream. Shoutout sa iyo, Coach. Again, the mom of Aki Kikuchi, the setter ng women's division ng WCC. Of course, always very supportive into this WCC squad. 16 serving 24. Skyhawks only needing 1 point. Campos will commit that service error, and that will do it sa ating set number 3. The Skyhawks enters the game dito sa ating set number 3, getting that set. That is an impressive set number 3 para dito sa Skyhawks. Can they keep the momentum going? Or will the Patriots put an end to that momentum na nabuild ng Skyhawks and defeat them once again in 4 sets? Magbabalik tayo to continue this game. Set number 4 is coming up. set number 4. Preparing to start, preparing to begin here dito sa loob ng MAC Gym in Pasay City. The first game of 4 sa ating game schedule for today. The first of 2 men's division games. Skyhawks looking to give us another 5th set. I believe it will be our 3rd or 4th dito sa ating season 17. Meanwhile, the defending champions looking to finish this game in set number 4. And they begin quick with Adrian Dolatre securing that ace. And if there is a team in the season 17 that knows how to come back from 2 sets down, the players wearing white, the WCC ATC Skyhawks, they have done that coincidentally against the defending champions, Pats Seahorses, sa home court mismo ng Pats. And what's more impressive on that game, yun yung unang game ng WCC ATC Skyhawks. I wasn't able to cover that one because nandun ako sa basketball na nagkasabay ng laro dun. But watching that, I was really impressed sa performance ng Skyhawks. So again, the pedigree of this Skyhawk squad, if the women can do it, rest assured these players in the men's division can, because they are into that same system under Coach Andre Barba. Skyhawks going into the first point. Paul Cruz making sure that ball goes in. Wasn't able to break that attempt ay itong si Owe. Paul Cruz bringing in the energy for this Skyhawk squad. Again, the finals and the season's MVP. And that time, just nonchalantly, Vren Pajarillo scores for their second point. This will be a tug of war. Set number 4 as the Patriots looking to shake off one of their worst sets in their last 4 games. Nice block by Owe. Dolatre, a back set. Now Jawari Kaube finding himself in a rhythm here. A battle of 2 amazing setters. Again, Dolatre for this Patriot squad. Edralin naman dito sa kabila. 4 serving 2 is the score. That attack goes out. So pushing it to 3 points. Yung kalamangan dito ng Patriots. And not giving the Skyhawks team the momentum they need. Because pag nag-set number 5 tayo dito, literally it will be anyone's ball game. But momentum-wise, it will be favoring the Skyhawks. Just continues to bring on the points. Coach Andre Barba calls for time and he is asking, where's the energy dito sa ating start ng set number 4? Patriots just owning them in the first 6 or in the first 5 points of this game. There's a timeout call. We'll be right back. Impressive start for the PWU Patriots. And that is how you respond off a timeout. Nice find by Edralin. Now they are down by 3, talking about the Skyhawks. Patriots looking to increase the lead again. A bit of a stare down. Luis Polientes now able to attack that defense once again. Sir Joel Caube says, tapusin nyo na yan, PWU. And so far, they have been amazing at the start of our set number 4. The Skyhawks on the other side. Coach Andre questioning their energy dito sa ating set number 4 after that impressive set number 3. Personally, I thought they can get things going, but at the start of our set 4, it's all about the Patriots. Caube, Polientes, just making it hard. Another drop point. Really a hard read on the defense. Coach Pai cheering on Kian Edralin, who's having a good game, Coach Pai. But they are down here by 3 points, 5 serving 8. They need to make some stops. Talking about this Skyhawk squad. Cannot afford to make those service errors, especially kapag nagsisimula ng gumana itong PWU Patriots. And so far, after a slow set number 3, the Patriots looking to bounce back and send a message. 9 serving 5. Abu looks for that attack. Nakabantay doon. Sila Polientes that time. Shadow lang malakas ang atake ni Paul Cruz. And maybe that is a needed stop para dito sa Skyhawks, because if that went in, really the momentum is on the side of the Patriots. Really hard to come back from at least 4 points. 4 to 5. Nice stop. There you go, getting back-to-back points. After that stare down kanina ni Cruz tsaka ni Owe, Owe was able to make it hard for Cruz to score. Return to sender ang datingan ng block doon ni Owe. Only down by 2. Nakasingit ng puntos itong Patriots. Christian Gahatela playing well. Ten serving 7. Edralin sends it to Abu. 2 players para dito sa Patriots was able to rescue that play. Isa pa para kay Owe. Edralin finding his team captain. For the Skyhawk squad, need to maintain this kind of performance and maybe find that extra switch for them to extend this game. Again, this is only our game 1 of 4. Meron pa po tayong 3 laro na masusubaybayan dito. The next 2 games are in the women's division. Makakakuha ng puntos doon. Itong Patriots, Paul Cruz will be at the line. Again, the winner of this game technically will be our number 2 seed, will secure the twice to beat advantage. So both teams wanting to do that. Hand down, man down. Dolatre, masyadong malakas yung atake that time. The Skyhawks off that back set via Kian Edralin was able to take advantage. That time, service error. So that's at least 2 service errors para dito sa kampo ni Coach Andre Barbo. One of the things na nasabi na sa akin kanina, kailangan nilang bawasan. Because on that game against Pats, he said, lahat naman ang na-review nila sa film, yung mga napagplanuhan nila. They have done that. But having those extra service errors was the difference between them winning and the Pats losing that game. As we are in or nearing the middle part of our set number 2, nakakuha ng service ace. Owe is playing well dito sa ating set number 4. Team captain providing that extra energy. So Coach Andre getting some response from his team captain. They're only down by 1 after being down by at least 3 to 4 points. Yun nga lang, another service error coming in for the Skyhawks. Patriots looking to make a stop. Kanina si Owe, ngayon si Jedes Tuesta naman ang papalo sa gitna. Again, for Coach Belfort, this is the point of emphasis for him. Yung kanilang net defense, yung middle will be key at least for this game. So far sa ating set number 4, Owe at itong si Estoesta was able to find a way. Patriots wanting a check ball, sabi ng ating line judges. Sabi ng ating referees, it is an attack out. Don't look now, only down by 1. Vren Pajarillo starts that play. That attack is in. So wasn't able to continue that momentum going. 14 serving 13 ang ating score. Joari Kaube will be starting off this play. Abu, Edralin, Gemotra finds that beautiful angle off that block. Back at square one dito sa ating set number 4 as we are into the midway. Tabla tayo at 4 team. Red Gem Gemotra starts off that play. That middle hit didn't go in. Abu, syadong palubo ang kanyang palo. Patriots will look to push the lead more. Kanina they had a 3 to 4 point lead. Dun lang nagpapalitan ng kanilang kalamangan. And they commit a service error this time. If the Skyhawks are looking for that opportunity to make a run, I believe this is the right time for them to do so. Tied by 15 points, at 15 points I should say. The champions looking to break free. Nice defense right there by Gem. Abu, syadong mahina yung kanyang attempt. That defense by the Skyhawks now starting to tighten up. Paul Cruz parades in the middle, looks at the ball and is making sure that he scores that one. A much needed point here para dito sa PWU Patriots. Skyhawks need to respond. From the back, Regem Gemotra off that check ball. So you got Abu and Gemotra hitting on those wings. Pajarillo on the opposite. Edralin on the service area. Edralin was ready for that one. Abu for the kill. Good defense right there by the Patriots. One more time. Edralin to Owe. Skyhawks now up by 1. Kanina, set number 2, it was the champions who showed heart. Set number 4, it's the Patriots' turn to display their heart here. That is a service error. Sayang yon para kay Gemotra and crew. 17 all is the score. Paul Cruz starts off the play. Edralin, another back set. That time, a check ball of that hit. Those back sets are working for this Skyhawk squad. They have scored at least 3 to 4 of those sets ni Edralin. Darwin Abu will be on the dot. 18 to 17 as we are nearing the end. Nice block. A stop by Gemotra. Pag nasasabi natin si Rem Gemotra or Jem Gemotra, I should say, it's all about offense. That time was making to do that stop. And that is a successful hit, a silencer by a Jawari Kaube. 19-18, 1-point deficit for the defending champions. Edralin finds Jem Gemotra again. Kanina from the back, from the block, and now from close range. 20 serving 18, last 5 for the Skyhawks. We are in for our fifth set of today. Always starts off the play, playing well dito sa ating set number 4. That time, it is out. Coach Andre thought it was out and it is out. Sabi ng ating second referee, Victor Abalos. Coach Andre Barba pointing to our line judge kung nasaan tumama because it happened right in front of him. Adrian Dolatre and crew, of course, wanting to get that ball back, that possession, I should say. 21 serving 18. The Skyhawks now are up by 3. Owe begins the play. Dolatre, they will give it in the middle. Right place at the right time. MJ Belmonte making his presence felt here. (21-19), champs down by 2. Skyhawks looking to make a set number 5 appearance. That block is out. (21 serving 20). We are in again for a photo finish. Skyhawks looking to force a 5th set. Edralin sends it to Gemotra and Jem Gemotra delivers that one. Coming in, or coming out, I should say, ay itong si Edralin. Checking in for the final moments. Itong si Boktolan. Let's just see how will these two teams play. And that is a strong hit courtesy of MJ Belmonte, who's been reactivated once again. (22-21). Last 3 for the Skyhawks. Last 4 for the champs. Kian, send it to Jem Gemotra. He is in a groove dito sa ating set number 4. Warning shots to be fired by Jem Gemotra. He has been superb dito sa ating set number 4. That was a heavy service. Goes for that kill. Skyhawks defense not allowing it. Edralin, Abu will find a way. Darwin Abu helps his team here. 1 point na lang. We will be in our fifth set number 5 finish. Timeout is called by the Patriots. '24 serving 21. Regem Gemotra will be on the dot, will have a chance to send his team to set number 5. He's been playing well towards the end ng ating set number 4. Here he is on the service. That is out. Champs still have some air in this game. 22 serving 24. For the Skyhawks, they need to make one more stop. Need to get one more point. Set number 5 tayo. Abu will find that angle. Ladies and gentlemen, we will have an extended set here. Set number 5. Skyhawks, they were down 2 sets, with the Patriots getting sets number 1 and 2. And now we go to set number 5. The winner technically will be our number 2 seed. Sino kaya makakakuha nun? Will it be the Skyhawks or will it be the Patriots? Both teams looking to bounce back after sorry losses. Set number 5 coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, at least for the 5th time this season, we will have a 5th set. Again, this game will technically decide the 2nd seed of our men's division dahil yung number 1 seed natin, Patsy Horses, they cruised along our elimination round, finishing it off 6-0. The Skyhawks currently 2 wins and 1 loss. The Patriots on the other side, 3 wins and 1 defeat. And whoever wins this one will get that hold for that number 2 spot, assuming that they win their last few games. And obviously, that will give them pressure to win yung kanilang remaining games. Talking about these 2 teams that we are seeing. And it's safe to say, it is a tale of 2 sets. The first half of our set but the first two sets ng ating laro, it is really dominated by the Patriots. Off the way, an awesome start. Itong sila Polientes, Christian Gahatela also played well. Dulatre making some good dimes and scoring as well. Joshua Pasqua also played well. Paul Cruz, no, as consistent as they come. That is at least dun sa ating first two sets. But sa ating sets number 3 and 4, it's all Skyhawks. Kian Edralin proving to everyone why he is in the run for the best setter ng ating season 17. As I say that, he commits a service error. So Guro Owe, tsaka itong si Paharilla has been instrumental, and of course Darwin Abu playing through injury. He has produced well, and for me sa ating set number 4, the hero for the Skyhawk squad, itong si Jemke Motra, another good start para dito sa kampo ng PWU Patriots, and they are just hyped up. Referees will call them out. I believe they already received a warning. So we will have a yellow card there on the side of this Patriot squad. Again, that's just how they play. They play with so much emotion and so much passion. Pero yun nga lang, our referees looking to be in control dito sa ating laro. As again, this is a big game for these two teams. As we are continuing here, 2-0 is the score. Skyhawks still looking for their first point, and they will get that. Regem Gemotra continues to bring in the hammer. Patriots looking to put a stop into that. Unti-unti nang nakakakuha ng diskarte itong si Gemotra. Chance ball. Guys in white looking for the tie. That back set again works to perfection. Kian Edralin, Vren Pajarillo. That connection working for them, though a slightly less powerful hit, but it works para dito kay Vren Pajarillo. A service error para dito kay Abu. Three serving two is our score. Gahatela will start off a play. Kemotra muntik nang makasingit. This is an attack from that backside. Hits the net. Tabla tayo at 3. Again, this is only raised to 15. Just a quick reminder lang po sa mga beginners na nanonood, no? Set number 5 natin is a race to 15. So getting a good start will be instrumental for these two teams. Nodding his head to approval, I should say. That was MJ Belmonte, who's slowly but surely getting in to rhythm here, giving them a 1-point lead. Pag dating natin ng 7-point, I believe, mag-change court tayo. Who will have the advantage? Pagdating natin doon, Pajarillo. That attack was out. Coach Andre again looking to motivate his team. This is similar on how the women's team ng PWU Patriots, I should say ng WCC ATC Skyhawks, yung kanilang women's team, how they dealt with the champions. And if the Skyhawks team continues to perform the way they are playing, This is a signature win for them. The Patriots as well looking for that moment. And what a way for these two teams to put the league on notice, I should say. Nice stop right there. Tabla tayo at 5. Walang team mga gustong bumitaw dito as the women's, the Dragons, and the Blazing Phoenix waiting on the wings. Makato was able to rescue that one. Gemotra was turned away. Abu was ready at the back. Good rescue, good effort by the Patriots. Bibigay nila kay Gemotra. Abu, Makato, Gemotra. Patriots, ayaw bumitaw. This is a good set. That is out though. You gotta give credit kay Noguera, the libero of the PWU squad. That floor defense was superb. Leading the pack was Noguera. And that way, lamang na ng isa itong PWU. Gemotra, that time it was Perez reading that one perfectly. Look at the effort of the guys, the champions, showing us why they are indeed the defending champions. That tip was out. Happened right in front of our second referee. 7-5 is the score. Last point for the Patriots. We will be changing sides. They will give it to Gemotra once again. Nababasa na ng Patriots ang ataking ginagawa nitong Skyhawks. Makato wasn't able to be there in time. We switch sides. 3-point lead para dito sa Patriots. What an amazing show of defense para dito sa PWU Patriots. It is a clinic by Noguera and Perez. Sama na rin natin Adrian Tolatre was able to be that response or that help na kinakailangan nila on that floor defense. So far, the energy is on the side of the champions. They only need 7 more points to secure their 4th win and maybe securing that 2nd seed. We will call for time. Patriots up by 3, 8 serving 5. This has been an amazing game, amazing treat for everyone. Only the first game of 4. Let's see what will happen dito sa bakbakang ito. A battle for that number 2 seed. As would like to just give everyone a special shout out sa nanunood sa atin dito. Coach Benj Hernandez nanunood, no, watching this amazing game. Coach Benj, happy to see you sa ating live. And of course, lagi, no, pag nandun tayo sa PATS at pag merong laro itong PATS. Ella Villanueva says, layo pa PWU. They really need to make some distance here. Napaka gandang laban sa ating unang laro for our game day. Again, crucial games to be played. Mamaya ilatag natin yung mga istorya sa bawat laro. No, again, the story for this game, who will be that number 2 seed? Who will get that twice to beat advantage? Again, technically, the winner of this game will be sitting at the number 2 spot. And if things go into their way, no, sila din ang pwedeng magtapat sa ating Final Four, the number 2 and the number 3 seed. Taube starts off that play. Nice answer, Jedes Toesta. Making sure that makakapunto sila doon off that timeout. Hindi kailangan na mapalayo ito ng Skyhawks if they want to achieve that reverse sweep. And if they do so, they will be the second team to do it. The first one, coincidentally, yung kanilang women's team. So let's see if the men can replicate that success. A chance for the champs. Pasqua, right place, right time. Nine to 6 ang ating score. Again, another warning called here. I believe it was on a MJ Belmonte. So MJ will start off the play. 9 to 6 ang ating score. Skyhawks wanting to keep it close. The champs looking to end this one. Pasqua with back-to-back big points. Rising up at the right time itong si Joshua Pasqua. Usually Coach Belfort, usually chill. Ngayon nakatayo na siya dito pacing left and right sa bench ng PWU Patriots. He knows how important this game is. 7 serving 10. Last 5 for the champs. The Skyhawks needing 3 more. Dulatre Gahatela wasn't able to capitalize on that quick. Pasqua again. Yun nga lang, the attack was out. Initially, it was out. Referees calling it was out. Again, this is a big call. If you are on the side of the Patriots, they felt that there was a check ball. And it is corrected by our officials. As the whole Patriot squad just reacting on that play. They get that stop. They get that check ball. Last 4 points. The Patriots will look to secure this impressive victory. Coach Andre Barba and crew needing to have a pep talk here. They're down by 4. They have made a comeback on that set number 4. Let's see if they have or they still have that battery to make a run. Magbabalik po kami. Serving 7 ang ating score. Champs looking to finish this off. Skyhawks looking to extend. Nice read by Perez. Pasqua. That is at least 3 points for Joshua Pasqua. Really, really playing well. Serving 7. From the back, Perez with good defense. Kanina si Noguera, ngayon si Charles Perez. And that stop from the net this time. Warning shots ready to be fired by the champions. PWU Patriots doing this on the side of defense. Dolatre will start this play, and nice response by Soguro Oe. Dodging that warning shot, but they are down by 5 big points. Dolatre, they couldn't answer. One more time, that back set again. Nabasa yun nila Gahatela. Abu will not let that one in. Itong Patriots, they just need a single point. One more. The champs will win this pivotal game between them and the Skyhawks. Pasqua for the game. Owe making it sure they still have some room here. 9-14. Cannot make an error if you're the Skyhawks. Patriots looking for the kill. Dolatre. Kaobe will give them that victory. The defending champions showing heart. They take it in 5 amazing sets. Almost choking this lead here after being up by 2. Joshua Pasqua making it possible for them to secure this much needed victory. And they take it in 5 sets. On the other side, the Skyhawks now lost 2 in a row. It will be a tough journey on their way home. Talking about the WCC ATC Skyhawks attempting to make a reverse sweep, as you see on the screens. 25-23, 25-20 in favor of the Patriots, 25-16, 25-22 in favor of the Skyhawks, and the champs able to finish the deal 15-9. As of now, solidifying that number 2 seed. We move into the women's division as the Aliac Blazing Phoenix takes on the UANP Dragons. We will have a breather. That was an amazing game. Unang laro sa 4, magbabalik po kami.